Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'll show you how to make a simple paper airplane that actually flies well, like this. To make this, you only need one sheet of paper, and as for this tutorial, I'm using an A4 paper, but any rectangular paper works, and thinner paper usually flies better. So let's just get into it. So for the first step, we're going to fold it like this. We're going to fold it like this and make sure that the edges are lined up. And we can flatten it out. And it's going to make us a rectangle. Then we're going to go back to the beginning. And then we're going to take one corner right here and here and fold it to the center. Now that's the use of the crease, so it can guide us to make this triangles. And after that, after we make these triangles, just hold on a second and I'm going to do that. Okay. For this, you want to take this to the end of the paper and you want to flatten it out like this. Then what are you going to do with this is that you're going to get this right, and we're going to take the corners and fold it to the middle like before. Then it's going to be like this and this. Okay, yes. Now that we're done with this, so now it's looking like this. What are we going to do is we're going to fold this small triangle to here so that it covers both of the triangles. Yep, we're done with this. And now we're going to, after this, we're going to fold it like this. And we're going to get it like this. Now, what do we need to do next is we're going to fold it like so. So that we can make a plane shape. Okay, that's it. We're done with the airplane paper. You know, even though it looks bad, but practice makes it perfect. So the tips I'm going to give you, just don't rush or it'll look uneven. And yeah, fold it gently and firmly so that it actually can line up perfectly. And yeah, that's all for the video. I hope you enjoy it and like it. Thanks for watching.